How did Ray J become financially free? We will be going through his music and my favorite, his investments. Starting with some background, Ray J, born William Norwood Jr., is a 41-year-old music artist turned tech investor, which has been the major focus in his career. Ray J grew up as an entrepreneur, performing in shows and movies starting at the age 8. He would be just 14 when he signed a record deal with Elektra Records, and 16 for the release of his debut album, Everything You Want, in 1997. You may know Ray J from the songs Sexy Can I and One Wish, maybe from Raycons, or maybe from Kim Kardashian. Throughout Ray J's career, he became more than a music artist, still being featured on screens and taking the business world by storm, always finding a way to keep his name at the forefront. On that note, let's dive into Ray J's music. Going into music, Ray J has released over 12 projects throughout his career and has worked and written for many other artists. Ray J has gone platinum or sold 1 million units with songs like Another Day in Paradise, Sexy Can I, and on other featured songs. You still are hearing Sexy Can I mixed in with DJs today, with the song standing the test of time. Music was just one area of where Ray J grew in popularity. Using music alongside his other ventures into media was how he was able to cross-promote himself to excel in both areas. As for Ray J's label situation, he first had his deal with Elektra Records in 1995. By 2001, Ray J was at large and formed his independent label, Knockout Entertainment, through E1 Records, now a part of Koch Records. Having this opportunity early on in his career was massive because he would go on to releasing some big hits independently with One Wish and Sexy Can I. One Wish sold 400,000 units within 25 weeks, which is big money back to the independent label of Knockout Entertainment. Ray J throughout his career has always been a great businessman, being able to have an independent label early on, becoming a master marketer, and becoming a serial entrepreneur, creating many opportunities for himself. Music is just one area of Ray J's success. To grow his business ventures, he had to grow his music career and image, and he did that through TV and film. Quickly touching on media, this is important to mention because Ray J has been very visible on screen throughout his entire career. In Ray J's career, he has been featured on screen over 60 times through TV and movies. This includes creating his own shows like One on One and For the Love of Ray J. He also was featured in many other shows / movies, becoming a great host for some. While Ray J was on Love and Hip Hop, it was estimated he was being paid $25,000 per episode, which most likely is the average price for him to feature on a show, which he has been a part of many. Also, part of media is of course the tape with Kim Kardashian, which brings in up to $4 million per year, bringing in money over the years for him and creating a career for Kim. Recently, this has resurfaced with Ray J showing alleged proof that the tapes were a business setup, one of the weirder marketing techniques for Ray J. Still, this was very notable in his career to continue pushing him ahead, opening up more opportunities. From Ray J's music and films, he continued his serial entrepreneur life into his investments. Now, talking about my favorite section, investments, Ray J has been building up a portfolio for himself since he started making a name for himself. A massive play for investments that Ray J cashed out was with the Scoot e-bike back in 2020. The Scoot e-bikes were formed in 2015 with the purpose of being a foldable two-wheel electronic bike. As transportation services is a hot industry, Ray J was able to set up Scoot e-bike to be sold to another company, cashing out on his idea while being able to focus on other business ventures. In 2020, Ray J sold the company for $32 million and 18 million shares into the purchaser, Loopshare. Now with that money, Ray J could continue to add to his empire, building up his own businesses and investing in others. What appears to be the biggest focus for Ray J and his investments is his earbud / headphone company, Raycon. Ray J set out to make a comfortable, affordable, and high quality product back in 2017 with the wireless earbuds. Many major brands in that space charge at least over $100, which is where Ray J disrupted the market with a lower cost. Through the product and the strong marketing presence online, 2009. Within a short time, Raycon achieved a company value of $25.1 billion, which is a massive moneymaker for the co-founder, Ray J. Raycon is continuing to grow year after year as they stick strong with their purpose and marketing tactics to the public. If you hear this, Ray J or Raycon, sponsor the channel. More of an interesting investment that has not paid out yet was back in 2019 when Ray J bought the right to use former Death Row famous label owner Suge Knight's life rights in media form. This allows Ray J to create movies and shows depicting Suge Knight's life. Nothing has been released yet, but I just find it interesting that Ray J owns Suge Knight's life storytelling rights. Ray J is also invested into the cannabis industry, the gaming industry, more traditional stocks and bonds, and real estate. Overall, Ray J is very diverse in his investments, and we can see his focus on building up Raycon as an empire while cashing out where he can in other areas. Ray J is a monster investor, which should be talked more about for his career. This leads me to the question, what is next for Ray J? We're not seeing the same music output release from the early 2000s with him, but it has been clear that his focus is building something more than himself. Going forward, a lot of focus is running Raycon, as they have been massively growing since the start in 2017. I think we will see more businesses come forth from Ray J, whether he continues to grow them for himself or sells them off like Scoot e-bike. I also think we will see more investments into individual companies, as Ray J is very diverse and business savvy. What is next for Ray J? Growing success from the serial businesses he starts and cashing out on them. In summary, Ray J built himself as a brand and became a marketing master to continue to grow. He did this through music, media, and business. In music, he used his talents and released massive hits to bring in income independently. He cross-promoted through media, keeping his name in the public's eye. While he was building up funds from those lanes, he started growing his business empire, now seeing massive payouts in 2022. Ray J marketed himself to a position to become financially free and potentially leading to billionaire status. And that is how Ray J became financially free. I hope you found this video informational. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as well as let me know who I should talk about next. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.